We got a real nice county-owned case 590 Super N Backhoe. 3,000 something hours on it. Four-wheel drive, nice and strong. No smoke on the motor at all. Nice county-owned machine. Boy, everything just works on these things. It's got cold air conditioning, stereo. Four-wheel drive just pulling nice. It's got a 4-in-1 clam bucket up in the front with a pintle hitch on top. Boy, these motors on these new cases are so quiet. Very quiet. Got himself in a nice hole. No problem for that though. Not like we got a little bit of a squeaking belt. May have to tighten that up a little bit. This unit just rolled off the truck. This is definitely a higher horsepower unit, being the 590 class. It's also got extend-a-hoe on the back. Got everything you want. Pilot controls as well. Nice, comfortable way to operate these machines. Looks like about a 24, 26-inch bucket, 28-inch bucket, something like that in the back. It's a county-owned government machine. Again, with only 3,000 and some change original hours. It's new. I think this thing is a 2016, 17 model, something like that. We're going to get her all serviced out, cleaned up real good. She'll be ready here in a couple of days. I cannot get over how quiet these motors are on these things. Unreal. Looks like the pins and bushings are good in the boom and stick, bucket. Here's your extend-a-hoe. What a nice unit. And your case, 590 Super N Backhoe, cab, air, heat, stereo, pilot controls, 4-wheel drive, Extend-A-Hoe, 4-in-1 split bucket up front, 3,000 and some change original hours. Everything works on a nice unit.